Hello guys, I am Chaitanya. In this video, we are going to see about Microsoft Cloud Skills Challenge. Microsoft again introduced this kind of Cloud Skills Challenge every year or every 6 months at a time. Microsoft will be announcing this kind of Cloud Skills Challenge. This is the official link for that. Just redirect to me that link so that we will get all the details of this. I'm opening it. If you can observe, uh, yeah, if you can observe here. Microsoft Learn Cloud Skills Challenge. It's a 2023 actually. You can see the link itself, official rules of 2023. That means every year it will announce this kind of challenge. Okay, if you can observe here, it was announced by Microsoft at the time of 10th date, or I guess like last week itself it has announced. I get to know this, but I'm doing this video now. Today's date is 15th/5, and if you can observe here, it still be available. The challenge is going to start at May 23rd at 4 p.m. UTC timing here they mentioned. As per our Indian standard timing, like 4 p.m. onwards, it will be going to start, and it's going to end on June 20th, 4 p.m. You can see here, you have to provide an email address during registration for the Microsoft Cloud Skills Challenge. So that means you need to create a Microsoft account so that only you can able to be eligible for learning this kind of challenge over here. As you can observe here, by completing one challenge within the Microsoft Cloud Skills Challenge, eligible individuals are entitled to one free Microsoft examination. That means if you registered for this using Microsoft account, you will be able to eligible for only one examination. That means you need to complete one challenge over here. After that, after completing this, you will be eligible for one Microsoft Azure. Okay, that's what they had mentioned. You will be able to eligible for Microsoft one free certification, one free Microsoft certification exam. That's what they had explained. One free Microsoft exam certification exam will be able to eligible to write. You can see there, you can claim only one offer per person, regardless of the number of challenges you complete. If you complete any of the challenges, you'll be able to get one offer. That means one Microsoft account, one challenge, one free certification of voucher you will be going to get. You can observe here this offer. That means once you completed this period, May 23rd to June 20th, after completing this, you will be getting an official mail from Microsoft. You can take the examination. Okay. What are all the examinations eligible for here? You can observe here AI 900. That means it's related to AI fundamentals challenge. For this exam, what is the challenge you need to complete? This is the challenge you have to complete. For example, aged 104, this is uh, I wanted to attempt this exam. You can see here, Alien challenge, you can take any of the challenge over here. That's what I had mentioned. If you wanted to complete any of the challenge over here, like AI 900, aged 104, it's related to Azure AI fundamentals, Microsoft Azure administrator, it's a developing thing, and architect and DevOps kind of certification, and it's related to Azure Cosmos DB. Who are coming from database background, this certification will be useful for them. And who wanted to become a Power BI developer, PL 400, this certification will be helpful for them. So those who are aligning for Azure administrator, Azure administrator and development certification, you can go with Azure 104 or 204. But you can attempt any of the challenge. You can take any of the challenge. You need to not need to do only one specific challenge. You can do any of the challenge over there. That's what they had mentioned. But remaining certifications, you need to do specific challenge. That's what for Azure DevOps, you need to complete Microsoft Build a DevOps challenge. So if I open this particular link, you can see here, challenge begins in 8 days. Participant has to choose. They will give some things you can see, observe here. If you have any doubts, you can refer to this documentation. What are all the things has to be completed? All the stuff will be added over here. You can see here there are no prerequisites to taking an exam. However, to achieve Microsoft certification, you must have to achieve the prerequisites. That means you must have to complete any of the challenge over here. If you take and pass the expert before the prerequisite, then you won't achieve the Microsoft certification until you meet the requirements. That means you must have to anything you have to complete any challenge. You hear of the challenges, you can complete any of the thing. Okay, that's what they had mentioned. This is not going to be chargeable. And once you complete the challenge, uh, Microsoft will give you some one voucher. That voucher you can be going to use from June 30th, 2023 to September 27, 2023. Up to this period only, will able to eligible to write and redeem the voucher. Redeem the voucher into this period only. Okay. This examination of an expiration date cannot be extended in any circumstances. This one, I mean, according to this period, only you have to use. After like September 28, if you are attempting this voucher to booking the exam, you will not able to book that exam. Okay. Once you utilize that voucher, you cannot be redeemed a second time. That's what they had mentioned the rules over here. Okay. When this challenge run, you have certain questions. If you have certain questions, you can just check this. Okay. There will be some challenges. Okay. For your understanding purpose, let's book for this at 400 because I'm interested in this. Let's take other one. Let me click on this challenge also. Okay, I'm clicking on register now. I'm entering my email address. One of my email address, which is registered already, Microsoft account. Sorry. I have enabled my authentication. The two-time verification like that I have enabled. Mm, Let me do this. My phone. Yes, I'm enabling it. Yes, it's redirecting. Once you redirect it, I have read the terms and conditions. Click on continue. Awesome, you have enrolled for Microsoft Cloud Development Challenge. After entering your Microsoft details, you can able to see this. Okay. Previously, I have done these challenges, so that's why it's showing over here. It's completed already. Now again, I'm going to doing for this round, right? Let me open it again because I already logged into it. You can see here you are registered comeback May 23rd. That's what it's showing here. Okay. The same way you can go through it and can create the Microsoft account and register for that exam. Okay. You can observe here like it's going to start from May 23rd to June 20. Up to this date only you will be able to learn this attempt this challenge over here. Once you completed in this particular date only, you have to redeem the voucher. On before June 30th itself, you're going to get voucher from Microsoft onto your personal email. Suppose you wanted to attempt one certification with one voucher, you can create multiple email addresses. Suppose you wanted to attempt two certifications, you will not attempt with same mail ID. With one mail ID, two certifications with one mail ID not possible. So one mail, register it, register with Microsoft, and sign up with this challenge. Complete it. You will get one voucher. That means one exam only, one free exam you can attempt. Okay. Suppose you created ABC. My name like Chaitanya of gmail.com. Suppose I created one Microsoft account. I can attempt to only one exam, one challenge, and one exam. And when it comes to second challenge, not eligible. Not eligible. For second challenge, again create new email address. Register with it, Microsoft account, and again challenge also. And you will get another exam. One voucher and one another exam, you can book it. Like that, you can create multiple accounts and attempt our examination. That's all for this video, guys. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section and share it to your friends. Please like my channel, share it to other friends. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye bye.